Hello everyone and welcome back to Sandy Says. In today's video I'm going to show you how to assemble and use the MRZLB Luxury Wagon Stroller. This is a brandless stroller from Amazon, a stroller wagon. When you open it from the box, you're going to find the two front wheels, the two back wheels, the actual stroller itself, the rear wheel axle, the cup holder, and then this large piece. The large piece is zip tied, so you are going to want to cut these zip ties. Once you cut the zip ties, you'll unfold the actual wagon itself, and then you're going to push these buttons on the inside of the handle. There's one on each side. That will raise this handlebar so you can pull out the canopy. So that drops down the canopy and the seat cushions. So you should then have 7 parts, 2 sets of wheels, the axle, the cup holder. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for the canopy, and then 7 for the cup holder. Part of the handle with the tan rounded handle, that is the rear of the wagon, and then this part of the wagon that has the traditional pole handle is the front of the wagon. Once you have the wagon unfolded, you want to pull it apart and then press down on the middle just to make sure that it is completely down and locked in place. Next, we are going to add the rear axle. First thing you want to do is turn it on its side. The axle itself twists, so you're going to want to line it up to make sure that these are straight in line and even with one another. You are going to put these 2 pieces that curve out on the inside because that is where the metal piece that pops in and out is going to attach into. So this side and this side should be on the inside of the wagon. You want to align that with the post on the back end and then just give it a firm push straight up. Once you have it lined up on there, you're just going to push it in until you see this piece pop out through the hole. And then if you ever need to take this off, it's going to be the same thing. You're just going to push it down and then pull out. Next, we are going to attach the rear wheels. That is these bigger wheels, the ones that do not have this metal post. All you are going to do for this is put this metal post into this hole right here. Just push it down and then twist it until you hear it click, and then give it a little pull to make sure it's in securely, and then flip your wagon over and repeat on the same side. Just pop it in and then pull it up and make sure that it is secured in place. This is your brake down here, so if you push that forward, you'll be able to make the wheel spin on both sides, and then if you pull it back, that locks the wheels, so then it won't move. Next, you are going to attach the front wheels. So we need to flip our stroller back over, again, making sure that it is fully extended and not folding. And then this metal post is going to go in that hole right there. So all you're going to do is push it in until you hear it click, and then give it a tug and make sure it does not lift up. And then we are going to repeat with the next one. Lift it up and make sure it is in snug, and they should rotate like that. For the next step, we are going to attach the canopy. So you are going to find the zipper on the side of the wagon. There's one on either side. And then you are going to find the zipper piece on the side of the canopy itself. For this part, I found it easier to zip the center of the canopy together because then it was less fabric to work with. And right side of the stroller, you're going to find this piece, and you're going to slide that into the zipper and then zip it across. And then for the left side, you are going to find the zipper piece on the canopy. Slide that in. And then again, zip it across. For the back side of the canopy, all you do is pull the canopy over the back and then attach it to this strip of Velcro. For the front side, you have to pull the handle down and then pull it forward and make sure the handle receiver is through that little hole, and then pull it down and attach it to the Velcro. Lastly, we have the cup holder. So this piece is where you attach the cup holder. So it can either be attached right here on the right side or here on the left side. And all you do is slide that piece. And then it comes with 2 cup holders. So this one goes on the other side. To unfold your wagon, you are going to find the latch on the left side of your wagon and simply pull it up. And then your wagon will start to retract. You will then push down on the center. Until it is locked in place. To fold your wagon, if the canopy is zipped, you want to unzip it. You will fold back your middle seat. First pull up on the first strap and then pull up on the second strap. And then again on the left side, you will find this latch and you want to squeeze your wheels together and then push down. To adjust the handles, you are going to find these 2 black or gray buttons on the inside. So you'll push those in at the same time, which will allow you to move this handle, fold this handle completely in, or adjust it to whatever position you like. And then to adjust the pull handle, you simply push this button and then lift it straight up or push it straight down. To brake and unbrake the stroller, you can use this pedal with your foot, push it towards you to lock the wheels, and then push it away from you to unlock the wheels. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or would like a review, please comment down below and I would be happy to help. It is super helpful if you hype this video, give it a thumbs up, a like, a comment, or hit that subscribe button, or if you leave me some stars. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!